everyone, welcome to Sports and Gadgets. We've got the new Garmin GPS here, Rino 750t. We're going to be unboxing today, and then more details will be later in the video. First here, it splits into two. We get the charging cable, which is mini USB, another mini USB cable with a USB side, a Garmin hook, and then we have the device itself. This is a very sleek black look. Just power it on quickly. You can see the home screen, which shows you contacts, map, where to, and mark waypoint. When you swipe up, you've got some more options here, starting with setup, radio, compass, notes, current activity, trip computer, weather, Connect IQ, altimeter, and if you scroll down more, you get a bunch more different options. We'll now get into some more features as we go along. You can see more of the functionality and user-friendliness of this beautiful Garmin device. Let's get started. The Garmin Rino 750t is an incredible gadget that can be really helpful for your outdoor activities. These navigators not only provide accurate GPS tracking, but also offer a two-way radio communication, allowing you to stay connected with your group or friends while exploring. Less than a quarter of lost hikers found their way out of their own predicament, according to a study of more than 100 news reports about individual incidents. Only 23% were able to find a way out of themselves. The other 77% needed to be rescued. Doesn't that sound eerie to you? So with the Rino 750t, you'll never have to worry about getting lost. The built-in GPS helps you navigate through unfamiliar territories, ensuring you always know your precise location.
We one time went with a bunch of kids on a hike, and we got lost, and I didn't have a map. This thing was missing at that time.
Yeah, it would have come in very useful.
Yeah, especially if you're responsible for a group. You, as a leader, wasn't prepared.
When you go camping, that's just a fundamental of camping is being prepared with maps and navigation, so something like this is an essential. So the Rino 750t comes preloaded with detailed topographic maps, which include contour lines, elevation info, rivers, lakes, and points of interest. These maps provide a comprehensive view of the terrain, making it easier to plan your routes and navigate through challenging landscapes. What is great, you can expand the map options beyond the built-in worldwide relief base map. The Rino 750t offers a variety of detailed maps, such as topographic maps for hiking, marine maps for boating, and road maps for navigation on the road. These maps are available in compatible formats that can be loaded onto a micro SD card. This gives you the flexibility to have the right maps for your specific activities and locations. The Rino 750t utilizes both GPS and Glonass satellite systems for enhanced positioning accuracy. This dual satellite capability improves signal reception, especially in challenging environments like dense forests or deep canyons where GPS signals alone may struggle. By connecting your Rino device to a smartphone via Bluetooth, you can conveniently receive smart notifications, including incoming texts, calls, emails, and more, directly on your display. This feature enables you to stay connected with friends and family back home while you focus on the trail ahead, without the need to constantly check on your phone. By syncing your device with a smartphone using Garmin mobile app, you can receive real-time weather conditions, updates, forecasts, and alerts directly on your Navigator display in areas with coverage. Thanks to active weather forecasts and animated radar tracking, this feature ensures that you stay informed and ahead of changing weather conditions during your outdoor adventures, ultimately keeping you safe and prepared for whatever nature throws your way.
Seas were 4 feet at Gulf of Maine buoy. Wind southeast at 14 knots, and the water temperature was 62 degrees.
But what sets these navigators apart is the two-way radio functionality. You can communicate with your companions within a range of up to 20 miles, even in places where cell phone signals are weak or non-existent. Yeah, I'm sure it would have came in really useful just to learn also from that, because you have access anywhere, to contact people or to see where you are. The Rino 750t is equipped with a powerful 5-watt GMRS two-way radio, allowing communication with your fellow hunters or hikers. And not only can you have verbal conversations, but you can also exchange text messages with other Rino users in your area. Let's say you're on a hiking trip with friends and you want to keep track of each other's locations. By exchanging unit-to-unit text messages, you can share your precise coordinates, making it easier to regroup or locate someone in case of an emergency. In a situation where someone is lost while hiking and has fallen, dropping their navigator and rendering them unable to communicate verbally, their partner can still use the active radio signal to track their location. This capability proves invaluable in ensuring the safety and swift rescue of the lost hiker, even when verbal communication is not possible. It's a fantastic way to keep everyone together, coordinate activities, and ensure safety during your adventures. The Rino 750t features a brilliant 3-inch sunlight-readable touchscreen that makes it easy to view and interact with your device, even in bright outdoor conditions. The touchscreen is designed to provide excellent visibility, allowing you to read maps, navigate menus, and access information effortlessly. What's great about the Rino 750t is that it offers dual orientation, meaning you can choose between landscape or portrait view according to your preference. The IPX7 rating of the Rino 700 series indicates its water resistance capabilities. In practical terms, an IPX7 rating means that your device can withstand immersion in up to 1 meter, approximately 3.3 feet of water for a duration of up to 30 minutes without being damaged. The Rino 700 series features a dual battery system with the included rechargeable lithium-ion power pack. You can enjoy up to 14 hours of usage before needing to recharge. Alternatively, if you opt out for the optional AA battery pack, you can extend the battery life even further, up to 18 hours. Now let's talk about the feature that adds an exciting twist to the Rino 750t. Geocaching. This feature is like the cherry on top, especially for large families with children or groups of friends who enjoy quests, challenges, and outdoor activities. Geocaching takes your outdoor adventures to the next level by combining navigation skills with a treasure hunt. Using the Rino 750t, you can search for hidden geocaches, which are real-world containers filled with surprises and treasures. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. We'll have more gadgets in the next video. Stay tuned. Links in the description. Bye-bye.